the boat. Oh! Okay, XG's Rock the Boat. I I'm going to assume that they bought they sampled they sampled from Aaliyah's Rock the Boat. Yeah. Here we go. Drin. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Damn. Kokona, that hat. Like the boat. Oh! Hey! Oh, it was so good. Oh, so I was in the trailer. Oh, Harvey! Ugh. Leah! Hey! Damn, that's a bar. Hinata is so pretty. They're all really pretty. Did they punch each other? The boat, eh? Hey, hey. The shark nodding its head. Hey, oh, whoa. Hey! Another outfit change. Or zooming out. Oh! Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Oh god, this is so good. Oh. Oh. This is a really good example of great referencing. Holy cow. Hold on, I need to see a comment on this right now. Their style is really, really good in here. This is a great, like I said, this is a great example of amazing sampling. There is one song that's out there right now, and I'm not gonna say the name of it because I don't even know what the group is. I don't even know what the name is, but I listened to it on TikTok, and I'm just like, what is going on? Like I don't like this. Well, I don't know if I don't like this, but it's definitely not a song that I'd be listening to. You'd catch me like listening to 24/7.